Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Queen Marsha. Oh, I am back again with another video, and thank God I am able to do this video because I am so excited to show you what I'm about to do today. Well, today we will be juicing, and we will be juicing some fresh vegetables. And if you don't know what juicing is, which I was surprised that most people didn't know what it was, it's basically a way to detox your body while cleansing, and also it helps eliminate unwanted toxins from your body. It reduces inflammation, improves digestion, good for weight loss, boosts the immune system, and so much more. So if you've been eating unhealthy foods throughout the week, then juicing will help to cleanse your body. Trust me, it will. It's also very high in nutrients, and that's something that I love about it. And this is why a lot of vegans and vegetarians love to juice. And also, please be sure to subscribe. Okay, so in this plate, I have my celery, my cucumbers, my spinach, my apples, and I also have lemon with some ginger, cilantro, and parsley. Keep in mind you can use whatever vegetables you like, but for now, I'm going to just be using these vegetables. No matter what vegetables you use, it will still detox your body. But some vegetables, when you combine them for a certain illness like fatigue, low iron, depression, high blood pressure, or diabetes, and even like a common cold, will also help with those issues as well. And one thing that is very important is the best time I prefer to juice is in the morning. On an empty stomach, that is, because that is the time when our stomachs are most active and able to fully digest and absorb all the nutrients. So think about that. Think about juicing in the morning. But if you don't feel like, drinking your juice in the morning, it's okay. It's fine. You can drink it in the afternoon. But for me, I just find that to be the most important time to juice on an empty stomach, and that's in the morning. Now, this is the part that I like. Look how green that juice is. You see that? That right there is all nutrients that is coming out. And I am about to drink it. Now, some people may say, the juice is too bitter. If it's too bitter, add another apple, add an orange, add something that's going to sweeten it, but do not add any sugar. Another thing you guys must know and understand is the more bitter the juice is, the more effect that it will have in your body. It will really cleanse your liver. So this is why it's also important to drink something bitter. But this juice is not bitter because I added an apple. But if you're someone who don't care much about taste and you just want something that's going to naturally cleanse your body, then drink it bitter. That's all you got to do. Just drink it bitter and you will see the change. You'll begin to feel better with lots of energy, and that's one thing I do notice about juicing. So guys, let me know how you feel after you juice. At least do it for a week straight, and you guys let me know. Don't forget to add your straw, because I realize if you drink your juice with a straw, you just happen to drink it faster for some reason. Okay guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment down below, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you find this video to be very helpful, please really share this video. And with that being said, God bless you, love you all, and have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.